Good afternoon or good morning, depending on when you are hearing this. Welcome back to another week. May is winding down. Time is going so quickly. This is a schedule for your lessons for the week of May 18th through Thursday, May 21st, because Friday is our beginning of our Memorial Day weekend holiday. So lessons are going to run Monday through Thursday for this week. So we are going to continue with chapter 6. We'll be moving into section 4, which is using a formula to find the combined volume of a complex regular prism. So what you'll be looking at is two prisms kind of glued together that you need to figure out how to calculate their volume. And it's quite simple if you can visualize just pulling them apart. So you'll be working on that all week. The first Nearpod you'll be working on is section 4, module 1. The second lesson is Nearpod chapter 6, section 4, module 2. And you have the same objective. You're going to use a formula to find the combined volume of a complex rectangular prism. And then your third lesson for the week is chapter 6, section 4, module 3. Now, because the week is shorter, the lessons are shorter. So you still have 3 lessons, but we've condensed them so they hopefully won't take as much time for you to complete. We made them a little shorter. I also wanted to let you know, instead of being due on Friday, we've made them due on Thursday at 2:30. If you run over into Friday, that's fine. I just didn't want to assign you work for Friday because it's a holiday, but if you need that extra day, it's fine. Also, if you need to revisit the overview of lessons, you're just going to come back here and click this link and you'll hear my lovely voice again. The reflect and review days, I'm going to let you decide when you want to do that. We still have our day 3 and day 4 in here. So if you're having difficulty with this and you need some extra help, please come to the Zoom meetings. I still will have Zoom on Monday and Wednesday at 2:30. And I'll go over any questions you have. We'll do some practice of these combined complex volumes, and hopefully you will understand it. Also, our extra help link, Sol, this has been on for a couple weeks. Learn Zillion was on for converting cubic units into liters and milliliters. And then I put a third one on for this week for calculating the volume of complex rectangular prisms. So that's there for you too. Again, if you hit this link right here, it will take you directly to the assignment page for the lessons for the week, and you can, when you're finished with these, turn in your work at that assignment page, and that's where I give you your feedback. Everyone's been doing a fabulous job. Just keep up the good work. Also, extras down here will take you to Khan Academy, Splash Learn, Scratch if you're doing some coding, and then Study Island. There are 2 lessons on there. There's regular volume, and then I also added a lesson for this week, which is calculating the combined volumes, and that's there for you to do too. So again, have a great weekend. If you're having trouble, please message me through email or Google Hangouts, okay? Have a lovely weekend.